What's up, YouTube? And I have a fun thing for y'all to see today. I'm going to be showing you a supercar location that I found out, as well as a glitch. Now, the glitch will be later on in the video. I'm going to have a complete disclaimer on it. It is only for offline purposes that I'm going to show you, just for some fun. I would not recommend trying it online, as you might get kicked out or banned. But I'll go ahead and show y'all, and y'all can have some fun with it. Okay, so I'm driving the car now. Well, it's already been a little roughed up, but that's what it looks like. Its location. Okay, we'll go on the mini map. If you go right here, above this building, right there, go straight across with it. Should be this building right here. There'll be two signs on it with pictures of the car. Go ahead and mark the location. Let's see. It's a really fast car. Interesting one to drive. You just peel out a lot. Okay, we aren't far from it. This is a fun car just to get and show your friends. It's fun to drive, mess around with. I have not tried this in online mode yet, but I'm sure it'll be there. And this is Watch Dogs 1. It's the first Watch Dogs. Yeah, we should be about there. Get it right around here. Yes, that's the sign it'll have up there. If you're coming from this direction, just drive around to the door. Now, I'd recommend that you have the skill unlocked to be able to enter cars. By unlocking them, not stealing them, you could get in a lot of trouble in here. There's usually a car right there. There's obviously one on top. And there'll even be cars on this platform over here sometimes. So what you can do is just hop up here and get in the car. Oh, this is interesting. There we go. Maybe not. Well, we'll get there. Okay. Most of the time I just drive it out the window. There it goes. It takes very little damage from things like that, so it has to be some higher stats in the car. But yeah, go ahead and have some fun. Okay guys, so as I promised, I will now show you well, it's like a glitch. It's really fun to do. Location on the map. It's all the way to the left side over here. It's the baseball stadium, and you'll want to be on these sides here with the stairs. And you'll need like a minivan, kind of like this here. And you'll see why here in a few minutes. It's really the only vehicle that'll work. I'm directly across over here at Moeller's Grill. That's where I found mine. So basically what you want to do is just take the car and just find those stairs. You kind of got to work your way up here, like so. Sorry people. This is why you need this car. Really, it's small and it also helps out here in a few seconds. Now you're going to need to drive inside the building. I'll repeat, inside the building. Just gotta hit it at the right angle. You will injure some civilians, but this is how it has to be done to get inside. Turn the wheel. There we go. We are inside now. Alright, now just maneuver this stadium, into this room here, boom, right to the soda machine. Alright, now we're going to get to the left side of the soda machine, right there. Climb out, and you should be able to hit climb. See that right there? Right there, it'll pop up. And you should be able to climb if you look just in the right spot. There it is. It'll pull you through the ceiling. Okay, now this puts you on top of the stadium. You can wander around if you want to. Well, if you wander around, you'll fall back in, obviously. Let's see. Get up here again. Okay, what you want to do, once you get up here, is just walk straight off the edge. It'll hurt you, but you won't die. Then you'll be inside the stadium. Should be able to go right through there. There you go. Once you get into the field, there you go. You're in the field now. There's no way to get out, and I've tried and tried. If you find a way out, let me know. I've also found something very fun. If you run under here, it'll put you under the map and you can see everything. Just have to quit the gameplay and go back again to it, but it's definitely worth it and very fun. You can see everything, all the cars driving in the stadium above you. It's just really interesting. Try this out. Let me know what you guys think. Again, I would not recommend it on online gameplay as you might get banned. One thing, you can't move around under here, but yeah guys, there you go. Like and subscribe if you haven't. I'm just starting my channel. Just keep me going, help me get up there. Be interested to know how some of this stuff works for you guys.